Styrene Maleic Anhydride resins and epoxy resins have significant differences in their properties and applications. Epoxy resins are thermosetting, known for their high chemical resistance, mechanical strength, and adhesion, making them ideal for protecting coatings. On the other hand, styrene maleic anhydride resins are thermoplastic and stand out for their ability to act as compatibility modifiers in polymers and their use in low-temperature adhesives, thanks to their flexibility and ability to form specific bonds with different materials. While epoxy require curing agents to chemically harden, styrene maleic anhydride resins are processed by melting without the need for curing. Additionally, epoxies tend to be more expensive and deliver superior performance in structural applications, while styrene maleic anhydride resins are primarily used in consumer products or less demanding applications. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cosmos Coatings. See you in the next video.